Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to call an operator for processing or setup in a processor and change their animation. To make it easy to understand, let's build a simple model. We'll use a source, a queue, a processor, an operator, and a sink. First, connect these objects using A connections. Then, set the source's inter-arrival time to 15 seconds and the processor's processing time to 10 seconds. To call an operator for processing, simply enable the Use Operator field next to the process time. Once enabled, you need to reference the operator. You can do this using an S connection or by selecting the operator with the sampler tool. This ensures the processor calls the operator during processing and releases them afterward. Now, let's change the operator's animation. Right-click on the operator, go to Edit, and open the animation window. Here, you'll find a list of pre-programmed animations. You can also create your own custom animations for FlexSim objects and 3D models. Let's see how to run a simple pre-programmed animation using a process flow. First, create a general process flow and add an event-triggered source. Set it to listen to on entry of the processor. This will generate a token when an item enters the processor. Next, add a run animation activity and reference the operator. In the animation window, you'll see multiple pre-programmed options. For this example, let's use the enter code animation. Set the animation field to enter code in string format. Finally, add a sink to destroy the token. Now, run the model. You'll see the operator's animation change during processing. You can try other animations or even create your own custom ones in FlexSim. That's it. Give it a try and see how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more.